So hello guys, today we want to teach you a very cool exercise about stretching. Okay? So right now we'll be warming up, and after that we will do more difficult exercise. So for warming up, please do this position: right leg in front of you, left will be behind. What we do, we breathe in, yes, up our leg. You can see in the mirror, our legs not up on the floor. We take him in the air. So, and we will return and breathe out. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Take this and fix this position, please. So straight your back and wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, super. Another side also will be fix this position and wait. Also straight your back, open your chest, please. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. After that, hug your leg, yes, by this, and we will do a little returns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, and press yourself, yes. So 1, 2, 3. Also with straight back. 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Okay, super. Straight your leg. Put on the floor. Straight your back. Up your hands up. Breathe in and breathe out. Go down. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so little pushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breathe in and breathe out. Go down. I also will press. So breathe in and breathe out. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. Breathe in and breathe out. After that, we put our leg to the other side. Yes. Up, right hand, open your chest. Breathe in and breathe out. Go down. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so fixes this position and pushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breathe in and breathe out. Okay. Open your chest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. Breathe in and breathe out. After that, we will put to another way our right leg. Our hands will be straight behind, in front of you. And what we do? Breathe in and breathe out. Go down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, breathe in, breathe out, straight your hands and go down. Okay, I will press. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. So after that we will do a little bit harder exercise. Please change position to this. Yes, so, and what we will do? We breathe in, turn, and breathe out, come back. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breathe in and breathe out. So try to put your right leg to the floor and straight also. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so return. And after that, go to this position, straight your back please, no bend, only this position. So we breathe in and breathe out, go down. Yes, we straight back. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and also 8. Also little pushes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Breathe in and breathe out, go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Straight your hands, and right now we will do one side of it and another. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, rounds. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And another side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, cool. So right now we'll do this position. We go. Yes. So, and what we do? We breathe in, straight our leg, we straight back, and breathe out, go to the left side. And also, again, straight breathe in and breathe out, back. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. Okay, fix this position and stay. Also, if this position is very easy for you, you can stay off your elbows, yes, and also the straight back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. After that, put your leg gently in front of you, and this position, yes, half of our split, and we will go down, yes, so breathe in the top and breathe out, go down. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so breathe in, breathe out, straight our hands. And try to put your chest to the leg. Okay, so straight your leg. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so the next will be this, our right leg. Try to go up. Yes, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay. Catch your leg and press. I also can help. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, super. So guys, after this exercise we can try to sit, yes, left split, and so go. Okay, fix this position, please. Don't forget about your breathing and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Also, if you have any energy, you can go down also with straight back. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, super. Also, after this exercise we will do compensation. Do wild position of your legs and gently put your knees to other side. Yes, one side and after that another. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. So guys, thank you so much that spent this time with us, with providing training. Thank you so much for choosing our trainings. I very appreciate about this and also wait about your feedback. Thank you so much and see you soon. Bye bye.